Your bedroom, because the bedroom is for us to rest, to take a break. So we need to have a more warm energy. So that's why we want to keep the color tune to be more. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today we keep going to mention the top 3 secrets how to boost our luck. So this is a session 1. We mentioned the most important, which is our bedroom. The reason is because we sleep like 8 hours a day. So 1/3 of our time we spend on the bed. So you can imagine like this. If your master bedroom, the Feng Shui is good, you don't need to do anything. You just simply take a rest. Every single night you're boosted by this good Feng Shui energy. It's automatically help you to boost your luck. So which is really good. On the other hand, if let's say if your master bedroom, the Feng Shui have some issue or horrible or is bad Feng Shui, you are suffering from this bad Feng Shui energy and affect 1/3 of your life. So this is so important, it's so crucial. So that's why we put this bedroom to be the top secret how to boost your luck. And we mentioned 1 to 5 of your bedroom before, so we keep going to talk about the number 6. Okay, the number 6, which is we need to keep our room in a nice order, simple condition, because as the room is simple and nice and keep it clean and clear, the energy is easy and it's not too messy, so which is really good. On the other hand, if let's say if your room is a messy, stinky smell, or you don't keep in a good order condition, we don't talk about the Feng Shui first. You just stay in that room, you don't feel good because that is a messy room. So that energy is a bad energy. In terms of the Feng Shui, a clean, clear Feng Shui room is really, really good and bring the good Feng Shui energy. Also, under your bed, beneath your bed, we need to make sure that we need to keep the underlayer, which is more clean and clear, organized. Don't put lots of a mess or put lots of dust under the bed. That will definitely help. Okay, the number 7. The number 7 is for your bedroom, because the bedroom is for us to rest, to take a break. So we need to have a more warm energy. So that's why we want to keep the color tune to be more warm. We don't want to use those like a too cold color tune. Let's say white, let's say silver, gold. Let's say those are light gray. Those like a cold color, we don't want to use it. We want to use more warm one. Let's say more soft color, beige, and then a little bit colorful. That will be fine, but not too much, not too cold. That will be good. And also the material we use for our furniture in our room, we need to make sure it's also a warm one. We need to minimize the marble, rock, the steel. You can use more plastic, use more like a wood furniture. That would definitely good. Okay, the number 8. The number 8 is we want to minimize the electronic use in our bedroom, especially when you before night you read too much like cell phone, because the blue light right now is scientific show that this blue light will affect your sleep. So we want to minimize it. So make sure that in your bedroom, you don't put too much like an office furniture or office electronic, let's say printer, scanner, or laptop, computer, all those stuff. Just a little bit is fine, but not too much. And before bed, make sure that you minimize the use of the electronic. And on your bed, make sure that those like your cell phone or other chargers is stay away from your bed, especially your headboard. That will definitely help. Okay, the number 9. The number 9, which is the mirror. The mirror we use must be really, really careful. Make sure that the mirror is not reflect the image of your bed and is not reflecting the image of the door, the window. That will definitely help, because the mirror got some like a special Feng Shui energy. When you wake up, you see a mirror, you see yourself, maybe you will scare it because you see someone in front of you, but this is a mirror. So we want to minimize that risk. So make sure that when you have a mirror, stay away from your bed. That will definitely help. Okay, the last one number 10, which is the religion. Religion is really, really good. So we want to practice our religion, that's why no problem. But we don't want to make sure that we don't practice our religion in our bedroom. Some people will put those like a Buddha or other religion stuff in the bedroom. That will create some uncertainty. Because for the bedroom, there's some like a intimacy, some private moment, and then when you have an intimacy with your spouse, and then the Buddha is here, so there's a totally conflict with the religion, so we want to separate it. You can practice your religion in like a separate room, but not in your bedroom. So that will definitely help. Thanks for watching. Thank you. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.